Okay lang. Ang tahimik lang ng trabaho pala ng trabaho, di ba? Hindi ka na na-involve sa mga intriga at lahat. How are you with your friends naman sa showbiz? Marami ka rin mga friends. And then, I'm curious lang din, doon sa Milan. Kayo, chika-chika kayo ni Nadine. Yung Nadine ba? Yung kasama mo doon? Friends naman talaga kayo ni Nadine? Or doon lang kayo
Doon kami nagkaroon ng chance na mag-bond. And she's a lovely person. I love she's very natural, genuine. Yeah, it's super nice hanging out with her.
So doon lang yun sa Milan.
Very generous, genuine, super nice.
How are you with your other friends din? Nasa showbiz, may contact ka pa rin sa kanila. Like, si Hart medyo may pinagdaanan si Hart recently na din. Napapag-usapan ninyo. At
I actually haven't had the chance to really speak to my friends from the industry because we're always so busy, so hindi pa kami masyadong nakakapag-connect. But you know, this is the thing about friendship, right? No matter how far away you guys are, no matter if I'm in another country or whoever it is, we're still close when it comes to when it comes to support and prayers and sa puso namin. Because that's what matters naman sa friendship. May mga moments talaga that you can't really get to speak or hang out, but then the respect and the love will always be there.
So wala ka namang communication with them?
Hindi pa kami masyadong nakakapag-usap lahat. Parang ang taga na rin, and also even Solen is like, I spoke to her months ago, asking for family questions. So alam mo yung mga little things na ganyan. Minsan kasi parang we're all so busy, we have our lives going on, and sometimes na kami nakakapag-reconnect. But when we do, it always feels like, we never really got to spend time apart.
Okay, thank you.